Okay, I guess we're getting ready to see the guy take a 50 cal and shoot this 2-liter bottle that you see off yonder.
Hang on, Douglas. Okay, everyone, ears. Everyone get ears. Kids.
Don't move them. Cover them.
You missed. Oh. Okay, everybody, ears. The bottle.
Watch recoil.
Right there to the left. The green bottle. Barely missed it.
That is by far the loudest firearm I've ever heard in my life. Direct hit. Been hit. I took him out. Hold on.
It's gonna be super duper loud.
Ears. Cover your ears. Everybody cover up.